Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go in private browsing mode in the Firefox web browser. So basically private browsing is not that unique compared to say Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Opera or another popular web browser. Basically private browsing just deletes cookie data when you close out of the browser window and does not keep track of your browsing data and blocks tracking cookies by default. It won't remember cookies that you may have used to access web pages while you are browsing on the internet. So this is hopefully going to be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Firefox web browser and open up the application menu at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you can select a new private window. Alternatively, you can also select the Control, Shift, and P key combination on your keyboard at the same time to achieve the same objective. So you can see we now are in private browsing mode. We're in a private tab. So no saved cookies or history right from your desktop. Browse like no one's watching, even though they are, and your ISP can still track your browsing history. It just basically won't save cookies on your computer. That's kind of the point of the private mode on most web browsers. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. If you really like the private browsing mode, you can actually pin into the taskbar by selecting Pin to Taskbar. And now even if you close out of in private browsing mode, you should have a shortcut down here for Firefox private browsing. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.